Welcome back to the Simple Mind Space podcast, everyone. Today, we're diving headfirst into the exhilarating world of cryptocurrency. And no, we're not just talking about Bitcoin, though it certainly takes center stage. We're talking about the entire ecosystem, the groundbreaking technology, and the life-changing opportunities it presents. Now, you might be wondering why all the hype about crypto. Well, I recently had the incredible opportunity to attend the largest Bitcoin conference on the planet. A gathering of the brightest minds, savviest investors, and even some familiar faces from the world of sports and entertainment. Everyone was buzzing with the same question: how can we tap into the power of crypto and watch our financial futures soar? I'll admit, I was a little starstruck at first. These were titans of industry, people who had built empires from the ground up. But I knew I had to overcome my nerves and get the inside scoop for you, my amazing listeners. The energy at the conference was electric. Think of it as a blend of a tech summit, a financial expo, and a high-energy concert all rolled into one. There were booths showcasing the latest crypto projects, presentations by industry leaders, and of course, endless networking opportunities. My goal was simple: get face-to-face with the biggest names in the game and get their take on the best way to make money in the crypto space. Now, getting backstage access wasn't exactly a walk in the park. These events are carefully orchestrated, and security is tighter than a drum. But where there's a will, there's a way, right? With a little bit of luck and a whole lot of determination, my friend and I managed to slip past the velvet ropes and find ourselves in the press room, the inner sanctum of the conference. My heart was pounding, but I was ready for anything. Almost immediately, I spotted him. Kevin O'Leary, the business mogul who sold his company for a cool $7 billion and is now a fixture on that hit entrepreneurial TV show. This was my chance. Nervously, I approached Mr. O'Leary and asked if he'd be willing to share his insights on how beginners can break into the crypto market. To my surprise, he didn't hesitate for a second. "Sure," he said with a glint in his eye. Here's the gold he shared. Start small, get educated, and don't be afraid to lose a little bit of money at the beginning. He emphasized the importance of understanding the difference between centralized and decentralized wallets. Think of them as different ways to store your digital assets, and suggested dipping your toes into the water with a small investment of around $200. "You'll probably lose it," he said bluntly, "but that's okay. It's a learning experience." He stressed that losing a small amount early on teaches you more about security, the technology, and the importance of researching before you invest than any book or video ever could. He then recommended exploring a diverse portfolio of around 5 coins, including established players like Bitcoin and Ethereum, alongside promising up-and-comers like Solana and Polygon. I confessed to Mr. O'Leary that I started my crypto journey a few years back using a similar approach. Tons of research, small initial investments, and a willingness to learn from my mistakes. Now, I'm happy to say that I'm deeply invested in the crypto world, and while the volatility can be a wild ride, I'm in it for the long haul. Mr. O'Leary nodded in agreement. "The volatility is nosebleed," he conceded, "but that's the nature of the beast at this stage in the game." Buzzing from my encounter with Mr. O'Leary, I continued to explore the conference, eager to soak up more wisdom. That's when I bumped into my friend Brian John, a fellow crypto enthusiast and YouTube star who has amassed a huge following with his insightful commentary on the market. I seized the opportunity to pick his brain. "Brian," I asked, "for those who are just starting out, what's the best way to approach crypto and actually make some money?" Brian's advice was simple yet profound. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. He emphasized that even the most successful investors have stumbled along the way. The key, he said, is to view mistakes not as failures, but as learning opportunities. Analyze your mistakes, understand why they happened, and use that knowledge to become a better, more informed investor, he advised. Next on my list was a man who needs no introduction in the crypto world, Michael Saylor, the visionary CEO of MicroStrategy. For those unfamiliar, MicroStrategy is a publicly traded company that holds more Bitcoin than any other. We're talking around 125,000 Bitcoin worth billions of dollars. Talk about putting your money where your mouth is. Tracking down Mr. Saylor was like trying to find a needle in a haystack. But as luck would have it, I spotted him entering a room, and knew I had to seize the moment. I waited patiently outside for over an hour, and just when I was about to give up hope, he emerged. With nothing to lose, I made my pitch, asking if he could spare just a minute for a quick interview. To my astonishment, he agreed. I asked Mr. Saylor for his thoughts on the future of cryptocurrency and, most importantly, what advice he would give to those just starting out. He didn't disappoint. Mr. Saylor envisions a future where crypto technology is seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, powering everything from mobile apps to global financial transactions. He believes that digital wallets will become as ubiquitous as smartphones, allowing people to send and receive money instantly, regardless of their location or banking status. Think of it this way, he explained. Billions of people around the world lack access to traditional banking systems. Crypto has the potential to level the playing field and provide financial inclusion for everyone. He went on to highlight the limitations of outdated financial systems, which can be slow, expensive, and unreliable. Crypto technology offers a faster, more efficient, and more accessible way to move money around the world, he stated. His advice to beginners? Education, education, education. He stressed that before investing a single dollar, it's crucial to take the time to truly understand the technology, the risks, and the potential rewards. He recommended checking out resources like hope.com and his own website, Saylor.org, which offers a comprehensive 12-hour course on Bitcoin. He emphasized that knowledge is power and urged listeners to avoid making investment decisions based on rumors, hype, or a fear of missing out. This is a transformative technology, he proclaimed. It's like electricity in the early 1900s. Take the time to learn about it, and you'll be well positioned for the future. After my mind-blowing conversation with Mr. Saylor, I felt like I had just been given the keys to the kingdom. I left the conference feeling energized, inspired, and more confident than ever in the future of cryptocurrency. But the adventure wasn't over yet. Remember how I said this conference was a magnet for the who's who? Well, I ended up receiving an invitation to a private event on a yacht. Let's just say that being surrounded by successful entrepreneurs, crypto experts, and even a few celebrities while cruising along the water was an experience I'll never forget. It was a true testament to the power of networking, putting yourself out there, and being open to new experiences. So, what were the biggest takeaways from my crypto adventure? Here's what you need to know. Knowledge is king. Educate yourself before investing a dime. There are tons of free resources available online, like those mentioned by Michael Saylor, as well as countless books, articles, and YouTube channels dedicated to demystifying the world of cryptocurrency. Start small, dream big. Don't feel pressured to go all in right away. Dip your toes into the water with a small investment, learn the ropes, and gradually increase your exposure as you gain confidence and experience. Embrace mistakes. View losses as learning opportunities. Analyze what went wrong, adjust your strategy, and come back stronger and smarter. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore different cryptocurrencies, including established players and promising newcomers. Think long-term. The crypto market is known for its volatility, but as with any investment, patience is key. Ride out the ups and downs and focus on the long-term potential of this revolutionary technology. The crypto world is full of opportunities, and it's never too late to start exploring. So do your research, find your niche, and who knows, maybe I'll see you on a crypto yacht someday. That's it for today's show, folks. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of crypto, please show some love by liking, subscribing, and sharing this episode with your friends. And be sure to let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there are any other topics you'd like me to cover. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep those simple mind spaces thriving. Peace out.